In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal account on Wise, your go-to platform for international money transfers. So let's dive right in and get you set up with your personal account in no time. First things first, open up the Wise website on your device. Once you're there, your first task is to select your email address. This is the email that will be associated with your account, so make sure it's an address you regularly use and have easy access to. After that, you'll see some options on your screen. You can choose between setting up a personal account or a business account. Since today's tutorial is all about setting up a personal account, go ahead and select that option. This is perfect for those of you who need to send money abroad for personal reasons, like helping out family or paying for overseas services. Now, it's time to choose your country. In this tutorial, we're opting for the Philippines, but you should select the country that matches your location. Once you've selected your country, look for the Continue button and give it a click. The platform will then prompt you to enter your phone number. Your phone number is essential for the next security step, which involves verification. You'll soon receive a verification code via a text message. So, keep your phone nearby and enter the code as soon as you receive it. This step helps ensure that your account is secure and directly linked to you. After entering the code, hit the Send Verification Code button to continue. Next, follow the prompts on your screen. Wise will guide you step by step through this process. It's straightforward, but take your time and read each prompt carefully to ensure everything is set up properly. This phase will lead you to create a password. Make sure it's strong, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account as secure as possible. Once your password is set, your Wise account is almost ready to go. The last step is to log in using the email and password you just created. Go ahead and enter those details into the login fields provided on the platform. After logging in, you'll have full access to your Wise personal account. And that's it. You've successfully set up your personal account on Wise. You are now ready to explore the world of seamless international transactions. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Wise's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your new Wise account.